Get me up.
The helicopter does go over here.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Let go, let go, let go. Cactus. Look at that. Nice.
I don't want to go in front of it.
A house. Oh, this is probably one of those trolleys that they pull. Look at that. That's the railway. Now what is she up to? Oh, hello.
It's cold in the middle.
So what can you say about this hike?
It's good. You
It's
shouldn't
good.
eat like a big Mexican meal before you do it.
Yeah.
It's not good.
What? Can I see? What is that?
I was really stressed yesterday. And I get stress zits.
Stress it.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Ooh. Wow. Okay. It's much easier this time. See? Climbing up. It's so easy. Yay. Can't believe we made it this far. We actually climbed the whole hike. Wow. Unbelievable. What's up, man?
I'm weak in the knees. Look at them.
What's up with your knees?
Wait,
Shaking?
It might bend my leg.
Oh, wow. It is shaking, huh? Oh, here it is again.
Shake legs.
What are you doing with your legs?
Nothing. I'm not joking. It won't stop. It's hard to get down
funny.
this. Oh man.
We made it. Oh, we're done.
I don't really have a desire to do that again.
Good job. You made it. Look at that. That's where we went.
I underestimated that.
The tip. Wow.
That was brutal.
Brutal, huh? And it only took us an hour.
I feel sick.
Mia, let's go. Let's go. Here. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Did you hear my body peel off the ground?
Good job.
I feel sick.